Welcome to this installation video of the Olixar Anti-Blue Light Glass Screen Protector. This will help protect you from blue light and protect your phone screen from damage. This should not take you any more than 5 minutes to install. In the box with your anti-blue light glass screen protector should be a microfiber cloth, wet wipes and dust stickers. Before you begin, it's always a good idea to turn off your device to ensure it doesn't come on while you're trying to install the screen protector. To start with, clean the screen with the included wet wipes. Make sure you remove all dirt and oil from the screen. Now, you'll need to dry it with the included microfiber cloth. Ensure you remove all moisture from the screen in this step. Now, grab the dust stickers and dab one on the screen to remove any dust. Take your time with this step as it's very important not to get anything trapped underneath the protector. Now, you need to carefully remove the back from the screen protector. Make sure you don't touch the sticky side with your fingers. Carefully align the screen protector up by hovering it over the phone screen. When you're happy with the position, place it down gently. Now, press down on the center of the screen for the adhesive to distribute across. Or, if your screen protector only has adhesive on the sides, please press on the sides instead. Now, work any bubbles out by pushing them towards the edge of the screen protector. Use your finger or the microfiber cloth. If there are any stubborn bubbles, lift the glass at the nearest edge and push the bubbles towards it. If your phone has an in-screen fingerprint reader, you'll need to re-add this to ensure it works as it should. And there you go. Your screen and eyes are now protected with Olixar's anti-blue light glass screen protector.